The domestic longhair isn't a breed, but a diverse group of fluffy mixed-heritage cats with a rich history. Their ancestors likely came from long-haired felines brought to Europe and North America by traders and explorers. Natural selection shaped them into hardy, adaptable companions. Unlike pedigreed breeds, they come in endless colors and patterns. Their luxurious coats evolved to handle harsh climates, making them survivors. Despite their wild ancestry, they are loving, playful, and full of personality. With no breed standards, each domestic longhair is one of a kind. They are among the most common and beloved pets worldwide. A true testament to nature's creativity, these cats are living works of art,